안녕하세요.
사와디카.
konnichiwa.
大家好.
고추산보다. 사츠리아갈.
Namaste.
Marhaba.
Guten Tag.
Bonjour.
Sveiki.
والسلامة.
Kwaswai.
Shalom.
Hola.
عامل
Mamo VIP.
What's up everyone, this is Bill. A few days ago, I finished my first ever summer program, YYGS, which is also known as Yale Young Global Scholars. And obviously, as you can tell from its name, it is a summer program hosted by Yale University for high school students around the world. It is traditionally held on Yale campus in New Haven, Connecticut, but unfortunately, because of COVID, YYGS this year was held online, just like last year. I still remember how disappointed I was when I received an email from YYGS announcing that it will be virtual again this year. And I almost gave up applying for it because I'm just so tired of online learning. But thanks to my dad who encouraged me to apply for it anyway, I got admitted and had a wonderful experience in the last 2 weeks. So, this video is going to be a vlog that captures what I did during YYGS Connect 2021. Yes, they changed the name to YYGS Connect, but they're essentially the same. Anyway, let's get started. Yeah, I mean it's tough because like everything is online.
So basically, this is in Berlin, Germany. It is a Holocaust memorial designed by Peter Eisenman. Is it okay for people to eat and sit on top of these pillars?
I would say it depends. If like the pillars have like names of the survivors on it, then it's probably be like little like derogatory somewhat.
You can also set up like a GoFundMe page.
If we make like a app, we could have like towns in need or cities in need.
I can make a promotion video for the app.
In the video, we can have how to use like our app.
Okay, is this the city name?
Apparently Dubrovnik is a city. Yeah, Dubrovnik's right there.
Guess. Oh, okay.
59 meters.
Okay, you could do any pose you want, you know. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's been good, guys.
Bye, thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Alright, so now it's officially the end of YYGS. These 2 weeks just passed really fast. I feel like I haven't really done a lot of things, but I mean it's over.